Welcome to a place where simplicity meets serenity. This is the modern Scandinavian home. Designed within a compact 20 by 40 feet layout, this home proves that minimal space can still feel incredibly spacious when every line, light, and texture works in harmony. As we enter, warm daylight flows through every corner. The hallway greets you with natural wood tones and clean white surfaces, a calm introduction to the home's peaceful rhythm. Here, the living room embraces openness and air. With large windows and soft fabrics, it's a space designed for connection, where sunlight and minimalism create quiet luxury. Just beside, the kitchen and dining area reflect Scandinavian balance, functionality, and beauty blended seamlessly. Light wood, marble surfaces, and pendant lights invite both comfort and inspiration. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. White bedding, wood panels, and the soft glow of daylight through sheer curtains. Every detail whispers simplicity. Every shadow speaks of rest. Even in the smallest spaces, serenity continues. The bathroom features natural materials and soft light, creating a spa-like escape within your daily routine. Finally, the backyard, a private retreat with a minimalist pool and deck surrounded by nature. Here, architecture meets emotion, a perfect reflection of the Scandinavian way of life. This is the modern Scandinavian home, compact, warm, and effortlessly elegant. If you love timeless design and modern living, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vision from XDOX.